Well, hello. How y'all doing? Welcome to the Bike Noise channel. We try to go for a ride. Fall colors, maybe. I don't know. We'll see. Oh, I'm looking and you looking over there. But run an intro. Let's get on the bike. Go meet the Southern Cruisers Tallapoosa chapter. Well, how y'all doing? Welcome back to Blue Bike Noise channel. Anybody knows how? We'll do that in a minute. Let's see. That's a long way away. Different. They comfortable. Yeah, if you watch that. What we doing? Dicking around in the shed. We finally got the highway pegs on. I feel like the right side needs to come up a little bit, but it's okay. My legs are more straight out on it, but anyway, that's just something else. Oh, time and temperature check is 10:09. I'm a little ahead of schedule. That's a good thing. Hey, oh yeah, you can't see because I'm looking. You in first photo. Look, moo cow. Hi, moo cows. On a still horse I ride. Oh, it's I done changed it back. I think it was 60 degrees when I pulled out of the driveway. 62.6. It's getting acclimated. It was sitting in the shade. So it's supposed to warm up to like 70 degrees. 70 something maybe. Perfect day for riding, and I don't know about checking out fall colors. But we're going to ride with some fellowship. Ride with the Southern Cruisers Wise Lake chapter. And nope, wrong chapter. That's a chapter I'm a member of. GoPro start recording. I don't know why you start, but as you can see, I'm a member of, I don't know, yeah, this side, Wise Lake chapter, second officer. I ain't wore this vest in a while. But anyway, we riding with the Tallapoosa chapter. Our Southern Cruiser Wise Lake chapter, chapter 80, is it's about faded out. Hard to get anybody to do anything, or not really hard, just complicated. I guess you could say. He got a motorcycle, but I've never seen it moved. Anyway, yeah, I can't forget which camera I'm looking at. So we're gonna ride, I guess, up over to Cheehaw, I guess, because I know where we're gonna eat at. It's in Lineville. And we're leaving kickstand up at 10:25. 15 to 11. So an hour ride maybe to get lunch. Yeah, that'd be all right. Here we go. We got two trikes, or three trikes really. We got a Can-Am. The guy that usually wears his F3 is on his RT today. And got a Shadow with us, Honda Shadow. We got this dirt glide up here, or whatever you call it. Pan America. We got another Ultra Limited or whatever limited. Me, I'm on the road glide. So go. When you got it on time lapse and it'll flip back around there, I think I was never cut the time lapse off when we got there. You probably see that. Us standing around yakking. Anyway. Uh-oh. I turned it and locked it there. Let's don't do that. I did it again. Now we turn it, I don't know, we turn it here or the next one? Back road, some showing, y'all. Yeah, buddy. Did I give you an exact count? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of us. Not bad. Look, that barn's falling down. Like them bridges falling down. How'd that go? It's we die we, or as everybody want to call it, we do we. We do we. Antique shops. See there's the four-way stop there. We do we. We do we. Welcome to the We Do We. See it, We Do We. That's the Lake We Do We Winery, huh? A winery. Feed the wagon. The feed wagon. I can read. So I have to come down and check out the winery. That's new. Yeah, I'll be glad when we get the, am I recording? Yeah, I am. Pretty down through here, ain't it? This is County Road, Alabama Road 58, Highway 48. I dog it. Alabama 48. We're leaving We do we. About 15 miles will be in Lineville. That's a good scenery, if you can see it. Yeah. Not bad. Elevation's 1,074. 1,074 feet above sea level. The river. Oh. Here we are. Lineville seafood, wings, and more. Alright, check the van out with the custom trailer. Flea market. You should egg, whatever you call them. Chicken the way people park here. So that's a Lynniebo seafood place. Pretty good, but man, what a wait. We waited and waited over an hour. Guess because we had a big group. I ain't got my other camera on, but look at this van. Nice Pete. Oh yeah, we picked up 2 more. Agnes, and she's on a street glide in front of the orange bike, because those 2 and that one, well, the 2 in front behind Barry are the 2 we picked up, met us down here. It was good food, but man, we waited so long. Lineville, but the food was good, and I'll probably come back, but not on a Saturday. They don't open till 11 their time, so or Alabama time, Central time. But anyway, it was a good ride. It's 12:44, so it ain't too bad. Almost 2 hours. 71 degrees, 71.6. So we might get 72 today. Elevation's 946 feet. 5-0, somebody called a po-po. Hey, we did make it over here to Mount Cheehaw. We just, instead of coming here first, we coming here last. Entering Cheehaw State Park. Woohoo! We've been in the National Forest. We're coming in for the lower back road, kind of, but that's not the, that's the back road. I call it the lower road. So here's what we missed. No color. Not much leaves on the road. Nope, nope. Not much color. Not much of nothing. But we going so slow, 45 miles an hour. And to keep it in 3rd gear to keep it happy. Pretty, ain't it? But you can see, you hit it just right and all this would be red, yellow and all, but we didn't. Too late. Too late. That's the story of my life. Too late. Alright, we in Cleveland County. At least you can see out the mountain. I don't know if we're going to stop at the store or not. Or go to the next pull-off. Need a pull-off right there. No, we ain't stopping at the store. There's a couple motorcycles up there. Maybe 2 or 3. Down, we go down. I think my battery's about to die. So go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and we'll catch you on the later, tater.